How to stream PS5 on TikTok. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your screen recording program. Once you're in here, you can see the option General. Inside General, click on Add Source and then click on Game Capture. Well, different video settings will be available to you. For the video device, you have to select the option Game Capture SD60S. Change the video format, color range, and the color space according to your need. Also, you have to set the audio to the settings that I have set. Once you are done, click on Add Source. Your PS5 screen will appear. At the top, different features and menu will be available to you. But all you want to do is click on Stretch to Screen. Now you can see the screen has been bigger than before. You can use a lot of features in this screen. You can add the text, crop the screen according to your need, add a chat box. Well, this is a very useful tool if you want to go live on TikTok. So that's it, and this is simply how you can stream PS5 on TikTok. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.